during the quarantine, it's really given me a moment to really focus on what is going to happen, what is going to be the trend in spend after post-quarantine, because believe me, I lived through the credit crunch, and I survived and built a clientele during that time as well in 2008 in London. And that was my first initial thought, was that, oh my God, this is going to be a credit crunch all over again. So in the last few weeks of quarantine, I started thinking of clever ways of how we can entice clients to have colour, express their individuality because they're working from home more than ever. And also thinking of ways, clever ways and fashion-led ways that we can entice our clients to have colour that are low cost, low commitment and low maintenance. So I've got two collections. One is called the Expressionist, for your clients that are a little bit more creative and want to express themselves a little bit more, and very, very easy maintenance at home with colour conditioners, and the lightening process will last 12 weeks. The second collection is called the Sun-Kissed Shimmer collection, and it's exactly that. It's just to enhance, it's really designed for people who never colour their hair, and it's just designed to make the hair look like it's sun-kissed. Make it look like the hair's caught the sun in a very non-committal way. I think clients have a real bad view of colour, and they're almost traumatised by how we maybe coloured the hair back in the 80s, and I think that's us